Okay, so in this video I just want to quickly go over basically Tailscale and Docker. So if you have an art server that I've talked about in my previous videos, you want to secure it obviously. So especially if you're going to access your server from the outside, so coming from the internet, logging into your network, it's better to just use Tailscale. You don't have to open ports or anything like that. And if you have your the other part of making things secure is to install your applications on a Docker container. So I installed my Nextcloud inside a Docker container and I can access it over Tailscale. Pretty straightforward stuff. No difficult or complicated things. Anyway, here this document will just show you how to install Docker first of all, and then you deploy the Docker container and put the Nextcloud inside that container. There it is. I think you can change the path here. If you have a shared folder on your server, you can just put it in here. So yeah, this is where you do it, and then it will show that folder inside your Nextcloud. Right, you deploy that, and here's your Tailscale Mesh VPN installation and setup. So just install Tailscale to access it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Access Nextcloud over Tailscale, explain it there. There's the IPs, whatever. And pretty good. Yeah, that is Nextcloud and Tailscale Docker deployment guide. Because I use Nextcloud because it doesn't look that bad. If you install it, this is now in a Docker container. So this all is running on my server, VM virtual machine here. So I've created, this is my art server VM. Docker is installed here with Nextcloud and Tailscale. So, and then I can access it through my browser over Tailscale. There's the Tailscale IP. As you can see, I can access my files on my server, which is that folder there. There's those 3 files, that's there. Pretty straightforward stuff. So I can just upload files here and it will go straight to my server. It doesn't matter where I'm sitting in the world. I can pull files from my server onto a computer or phone. I mean, you can watch videos in here, obviously. So if I press this, yeah, so this is me riding a bike like a child. No, I'm not a child, god damn it. Yeah, you can just watch your videos, or you can use Jellyfin. It just looks nicer, but I think Nextcloud is good enough. You can watch videos here. Let's just say big screen. Yeah, it's alright. This is from a phone anyway, so pretty straightforward. And this is going now through Tailscale, even if I'm sitting on my local LAN. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly show that. Where is it now? That. How to set that up. So I'll just put these documents in there and you can just follow them. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Good.